we're actually inside the house testing the drone right now so we can get some good practice in. And look at it. Practice makes perfect. What's up, everyone? I'm here today, kind of sad and happy at the same time. I found out that my computer is not working right now, and I tried everything possible to get it fixed. The computer that I have is a MacBook Pro. It was a gift from my brother. So somehow the storage is just full all the time. I empty everything. I gave about a hard software. I took it to the Apple store so they can tell me if they can do anything about it, and they just told me like they couldn't find the issue. So I sent it out to get it fixed. They couldn't fix it. So me and Charlie went out today to go buy a new computer. This is the computer that we got. We checked everything. We checked all of them. We checked the software. We checked the hard drive. We checked everything, and we even got some feedback from the people that worked at Best Buy, see which one was the best one in the capacity of editing and what everything I wanted to do. So we're gonna try it out. It doesn't get delivered until December 13th to the house, because apparently you can't go to the store and buy them. You have to get it ordered, because they don't want to have an expensive computer just sitting around and no one buying it. So you literally have to order it and get it built for you so you can get so you can use it. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to get it. So for the meantime, this is the video that I'm gonna be doing for now on the Microsoft Pro, and hopefully I can get started editing. So I want to apologize for not putting up videos, but it's because of that issue of the Mac Pro that was giving me issues. So guys, like I said before, I apologize for not editing any videos or posting any videos, and the reason is because my MacBook Pro is not working, and I can't wait until my new computer gets here and start editing and start posting up more videos. So just have a little bit of patience, work with me, and I promise I'll put up more videos on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.